Hello, this is Shree for Just Nailed It, and we are on to Charlie's Event Calendar. We are on to day 9. We're gonna pull this out together, see what little goodies we've got today, and we're gonna open it up, see what little goodies Charlie put in here for us today. I don't know if I ever mentioned this is my very first advent calendar. Well, that's very pretty. Season's greetings. So this is a Christmas mix. I'm very glad to see that. How beautiful that is. Let me see. What should we do? What should we do? I always like to paint the nail first, something similar. I don't know what color to paint it. Give me a minute, let me pick out a polish, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. I'm just going to use a red by Beatles, number 448. I thought about using one of their, like a red glittery mix. And I'm only going to put one food coat on this. Just one little food coat. Checking your nail. This was a stiletto. I did short this a little bit down into a coffin. So we're gonna put her in the lamp for a. Alright, mix it. For a quick cure. I can get the mix up. We're going to open Charlie's mix. Remember, this is Season's Greetings. This is a 4-gram bag. I think this is a beautiful, I love fine mixes like this. I'm added into the Junkie, because all I know how to do is encapsulate them with glitter or with acrylic. So we're going to use this. I am also going to use my glue gel by She Modern to hold the glitter into the nail to adhere it. Make sure you coat this very well. You want complete and full coverage. Put this back in the lamp. Oops. Give this a full cure itself. Sometimes, well, depending on what lamp you use, and if you're using a UV LED, you want to do 60 seconds. If you were using an LED lamp, I believe you want to do less time. Mine is a 108 watt lamp, so I do not need to cure for the full 60. We are going to play with this beautiful glitter. I do not have this one, so I'm glad to get this. Very glad to get this. Some of the, what day are we on? Day 9. Some of the items, I thought this was going to be all Christmas items or winter related. And it has shown not to be true. It could be items she's had or sold, had through the year that she sold. So, this is what it is. Put that aside for just a second. I'm going to start at the bottom of the nail. Coat her up. Just work my way up the nail. Ooh, there are some other circles, hexagons. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Completely beautiful for Christmas time. So I'm going to take this, set this off to the side for just a minute. I am not going to brush off the nail. I'm going to press this down into the glue some more. Trying to get things to lay down as well. Tap off the sides nail. I am going to put this back in the lamp. I do this, I think it makes the pigments, glitters, whatever you may be using like this, stick better into the glue if you re-cure it. It works for me. So let's close up our glitter. Keep the name with it. Clean up your tray. Now we're going to be top coating. This is beautiful. Look at that sparkle. Oh wow. That is just gorgeous. I'm going to be using my eye gel beauty. There you go. I forgot to turn my other lamp on. Hello. There we go. Have you a, I can do this, a lip-free wipeout to wipe your brush off on. You could even use build in a bottle for this. I don't think I have any. I have it. I think I have the Yogi, but it's in like a tub. Not a bottle. Guess there'll be something to invest in 2021. So we're gonna wipe the brush off one more time. I am gonna give this a full cure. Alright, we are back. I did pause it. We're gonna put another top coat on. Another layer. I want to add a few gems, maybe. I can't get over how beautiful this mix is. It was gorgeous in the bag, but on the nail, it's just wow. I am adding a red one. These are clear AB. AB. Okay, I didn't pick it up. Okay, we're gonna straighten these babies out. There, then I'm gonna pop this in the lamp. Let me give you a quick look. I think that is just gorgeous. Well done, Charlie. We're going to give that a cure. I'm not going to pause this time. We have our little stand, which I think is beautiful. I got this off AliExpress for a couple bucks. It was like $3 and change. And then there was shipping, so it ended up being like maybe somewhere between $3 to $5 total. But I think that is just beautiful. So now, after today, stay tuned for day 10, and I hope you're checking out my 12 days of Christmas. We have got a couple more days left, and then I will go back into, on Tuesday, my acrylic series, Saturday, my She Modern Saturday, and then I think the Glitter Girls are going to be doing New Year's. No Christmas this year. We kind of took a vote, and everybody is voting on New Year's. So stay tuned for that. Fun-filled month. Fun-filled month. So we are back. We are out of the lamp. It is finito. Look at that. How beautiful. Beautiful. Hope everyone is having a beautiful month of December so far. Merry Christmas to all. From me to you, from my family to yours, Merry Christmas. Happy Holidays. I like saying Happy Holidays because I am a Christian, and when you say Happy Holidays, you're taking Christ out of Christmas, or when you put Xmas, I don't like that. I mean, to each their own, it is what it is, but to me, you're taking Christ out of Christmas, and I don't like it. But, you know, like I said, to each their own, so I hope you're having a Merry Christmas so far for the month of December 2020. Hope everyone stays tuned for 2021 and see what it holds. Continue to follow me on my nail journey. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click that bell. And don't forget, click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Like I said, we got a packed month here for December. And I'd like you to be here. So we're going to call this a finito, an end to our video, and move on. We will see you tomorrow for day 10. Or wait a minute, what is today? Yes, today's the 9th of December, so we will see you tomorrow for the 10th of December. Our 10th nail art on Charlie's. Have a blessed day, and thank you.